Okay, kids, please take a look at page 2. Here is a problem about slide, flip, and turns. So take a look at the question below. Miss Archer class is practicing slide, flip, and turn using these shapes. So one of the student Abby's takes the shapes and slide 2 inches to the right, and then she flip it once, and finally she turn it. So we need to find how does the shape look like now. Okay, so let's find it together. This is a purple parallelogram, and Abby takes this parallelogram and slide it 2 inches to the right. So we move it to the right. And then Abby flip it once. So we try to flip it horizontally. Oh, it become like this. And finally, she turn it. So we rotate it 90 degree in clockwise direction. So now the parallelogram look like this. Okay, and then we move on to the standardized practice. Circle the pictures that shows a turn. So there are 3 options. First of all, we take a look at option A. So option A, it is an orange triangle. So we try to turn it. That means we rotate it 90 degrees in clockwise direction. So now it becomes exactly the same as this triangle. So option A shows a turn. Okay, so how about option B? It is a blue triangle. How can we make this triangle look like the same as the triangle on the right? Yes, we just need to slide it. We don't need to flip or rotate it. So instead of a turning action, this is a slide action. Okay, so how about option C? It is a green triangle. So how can we make this triangle the same as the triangle on the right? Let's try to flip it. Is it the same now? Yes, that means this is a flip action. Okay, and then we moved on to page 5. Okay, take a look at question 1. As you can see here, there are many cows, and we try to flip up the cow's picture. So we choose the first cow pictures below, and we try to flip it up. Is it the same? Yes, when it flip it up, it becomes like this. Its head is facing down the ground, and its legs are facing the sky. Okay, so how about if we flip it down? Okay, let's choose the second cow's picture. And then we try to flip it down. And now it looks exactly the same as the one we flip it up. Okay, and then we try to flip it to the right. Okay, and then we choose the third cow's picture, and then we flip it to the right. Okay, it is reversed. Originally, in its face, there is a cow spot on the right hand side, and now when you flip it, it becomes on the left hand side. So how about if we turn it 90 degrees to the left? What does the pictures look like? Okay, let's choose the pictures, and then we turn it to the left for 90 degrees. Okay, it becomes like this. The cow is now like sleeping on the ground. So this is the result when we perform different actions to the pictures. Okay, and then we move on to question 2. Instead of cows, this time we're trying to perform different actions to this L-shaped block. Okay, so first of all we try to flip it up. Okay, so below there are 4 L-shaped blocks, so we choose the first one and we try to flip it up. Okay, now it becomes like this. Okay, we try to make it smaller and put it in the box. Okay, and then we try the other action. So let's try to flip it down. So how does the shape look like if we flip it down? Okay, it becomes the same as the one we flip it up. So how about if we turn it 90 degrees to the right? So how does the shapes look like? We choose the shapes and then we rotate it to the right for 90 degrees. It becomes like this. Okay, make it smaller and put it in the box. Okay, the last one, we try to flip it to the left. Okay, choose the shapes and then flip it to the left. Okay, and now it becomes like this. Okay, kids, please try to draw the shapes in your book. Okay, now please turn to page 15. So take a look at the instruction. Find the 2 numbers that equals each sum. Write them on the lines to complete each number sentence. So question 1, we got 4 numbers and the sum is 11. So we take the cautionary rock to help us to find the answer. So we have number 4, number 9, number 3, and also number 2. So we need to find which 2 numbers when it add together it equals to 11. So this is 11. Okay kids, do you have any idea which 2 numbers should we choose? Okay, let's try 3 and 9. Oh, it's a bit too long, right? So maybe we need to try another combination. We try 9 and 2. Now the length are the same, so 9 plus 2 equals to 11. Okay, and then we move on to next question. 12, 1, 4, and 3. So the sum is 15. Okay, so let's get the cautionary rock. We have number 12, so 10 plus 2 equals 12. And then we have number 1. Okay, and then we also have number 4. And also we have number 3. So the sum is 15. So 15 and 1, 10 and 5. So we got the number 10 rock and the number 5 rock. Okay, so this time which 2 numbers should we choose? Maybe we can try 12 first. 12 and yes, it should be 3. Now the lengths are the same, so 12 plus 3 equals to 15. Okay, and then we move on to next question. Question 3, we have number 5, number 7, number 13, and number 4, and the sum is 17. So let's get the cautionary rock. We have number 5, number 7, 13. So 13 is 1, 10, and 3. So we got a number 10 rock and number 3 rock to represent 13. And also number 4. So the sum is 17. So 17 is 1, 10, and 7. So we get number 10 and number 7. Okay, so which 2 numbers should we choose? Should we choose number 5? So if we put 5 here, that means we need 12 more. So is there not any 12? No. Okay, so if we put number 7, we need 10 more, and there's no number 10. So how about 13? So if we put 13, and we need 4 more. So 13 plus 4 equals to 17. So that's the answer. 13 plus 4 equals to 17. Okay, and then we move on to question 4. We have number 5, number 3, number 9, number 12, and the sum is 14. Okay, so let's get number 5, number 3, number 9, and number 12. So 12 is 110 and 2. Very good. So the sum is 14. So we need to get 110 and 4. Okay, so this time which two numbers should we try? Let's try number 5. So if we put number 5 here, we need 9 more. So 5 plus 9 equals to 14. So that's the answer. For the rest of the question, you may try it by yourself. And then we move on to page 16. Okay, circle any 3 numbers that add up to 18. Facts can be horizontal or vertical. Number can be used more than once. Okay, because the sum should be 18, so we get number 10 rock and number 8 rock. Okay, so maybe we can try number 8, number 6, and number 4 in the first column. So we place 8 rock and also a 6 number rock and also a number 4. The lanes are the same. That means they add up to 18. So we circle number 8, number 6, and number 4. Okay, so let's try the other combinations. This time, maybe we can try 3 number 6 in the second row. So 6 plus 6 plus 6. So we put a number 6 here. One more. And one more. So, okay, the lanes are the same. That means they add up to 18. Okay, is there any other combination that you can find? Okay, this time maybe we can try number 5, number 7, and number 6 in the first row. So let's see, are they add up to 18? Yes, the lanes are the same, so they add up to 18. So we circle number 5, number 7, and number 6. Okay, any more combinations? Okay, this time we're going to try number 5, number 4, and number 9 in the last row. So we put a 9 number rock here. Yes, they add up to 18, so we circle number 9, number 5, and number 4. Okay, kids, there should be a couple of combinations that you can find. So kids, please try to find all the combinations and write down how many combinations you can find. Okay, kids, please take a look at page 17. Write the 2 numbers in each group that completes the addition sentences. Then cross out the 2 numbers that you did not use. Okay, so take a look at the example. So we got 12, 7, 8, and 11. 8 plus 12 equals to 20, and also 12 plus 8 also equals 20. So take a look at the first question. We got number 4, number 8, number 6, and 9, and the sum is 13. So let's use the quaternary rule to help us. Because the sum is 13, 13 is 110 and 3, so we take a number 10 and number 3 rock. And then we got number 4, number 8, number 6, and also number 9. So we need to choose two numbers that add up to 13. So which two numbers should we try first? Okay, maybe we can try number 4. So as you can see that between 13 and 4 there should be a 9 square difference. So we should choose number 4 and number 9, and we cross out number 8 and number 6. And then we need to complete the addition sentence. 4 plus 9 equals 13, and also 9 plus 4 also equals to 13. Okay, and then we move on to next question. The sum is 16. So 16 is 1, 10, and 6. So we put one number 10 rock and number 6 rock. And then we got to number 3. And then 11. So 11 is 1, 10, and 1. And then we got number 7. And also number 9. Okay, so which two numbers should we try first? Maybe we can try 11 first. So between 16 and 11, there are 5 square difference, but there is no number 5, so this is not the correct answer. So how about number 3? Between 16 and 3, there are 13 square difference, but there are no number 13, so this is not the option. Okay, that means we need to try number 7. And then number 7 and number 9, and their lengths are the same, so we should choose number 7 and number 9, and we cross out number 3 and number 11. 7 plus 9 equals 16, and also 9 plus 7 also equals to 16. Okay, we move on to next question. The sum is 18. So 18 is 1, 10, and 8. So we put a number 10 rock and number 8 rock. And we got number 7. And then to number 9. Okay, one more. And then our number 12. So number 12 is 1, 10, and 2. Okay, this time we're going to try number 9 first. And between 18 and 9, there are 9 square differences. So we got a number 9. So two 9s add together, it equals to 18. So we cross out number 7 and number 12, and we put 9 and 9 in this number sentence. 9 plus 9 equals 18, and also 9 plus 9 equals 18. Okay, for the rest of the question, kids, you may try to do it by yourself. Okay, so we move on to page 18. Write the unknown numbers to complete each number sentence. So for the first question, 9 plus something equals to 17. So 17 is 1, 10, and 7. So we put the number 10 row and number 7 row. And also we put a 9 here. So between 17 and 19, how many square differences? Yes, it should be 8. So 9 plus 8 equals to 17, because the lengths are the same. Okay, question 2. 2 plus numbers equals to 18. So 18 is 1, 10, and 8. So we put a number 10 rock and a number 8 rock. And also got a number 2. Okay, so between 18 and 2, how many square differences? Yes, it should be 16. And 16 is 1, 10, and 6. So now their lengths are the same. So 2 plus 16 equals to 18. Okay, question 3. 12 plus a number equals to 20. So we put 2 tens to represent 20. And then we also got the number 12. So number 12 is 110 and 2. So between 20 and 12, how many square differences? Yes, it should be 8. Now the lengths are the same. So 12 plus 8 equals to 20. Okay, and then we move on to question 4. 5 plus a number equals to 16. So 16 is 110 and 6. And we also got the number 5. So now how many square differences between 16 and 5? Yes, it should be 11. So 11 is 110 and 1. So 5 plus 11 equals to 16. Okay, so for question 5, question 6, question 7, and question 8, kids, you may try to do it by yourself. And then we take a look at question 9. So this is addition in column. There is a ones column and also a tens column. So a number plus 5 equals to 19. The sum is 19. So 19 is 110 and 9. So we put number 10 rock and number 9 rock. And then we put a number 5 rock. So between 19 and 5, how many square differences? Yes, it should be 14, which is 110 and 4. So 14 plus 5 equals to 19. Okay, and then we moved on to next question, question 10. Okay, so a number plus 12 equals to 18. So this is 110 and 8, and also we got a 12 number rock. So between 18 and 12, what is the difference? Yes, it should be 6. So 6 plus 12 equals to 18. Okay, next question, a number plus 11 equals to 20. So 20 we use 2 tens to represent, and 11 is 110 and 1. So between 20 and 11, what is the difference? Yes, it should be 9. And now their lengths are the same. So 9 plus 11 equals to 20. Okay, so for the rest of the question, please try to finish by yourself at home.